How to unblock people on Facebook. So now go ahead and launch the Facebook application. Once you've opened the application, you will see on the top right corner is the three horizontal lines. Tap on this icon, which will direct you to Menu. So now tap the gear icon, which is also located on the top right corner. And from here, you will need to scroll down until you find the blocking option, which is under Audience and Visibility. Tap this option, in which will direct you to this page. So in this page, you will see all of the accounts that you have blocked. So to unblock, all you need to do is tap the unblock word beside the username. So now go ahead and tap, to which this prompt will appear. Select unblock. So now you will notice that no account is found in this page, which means that I have successfully unblocked this account. So take note that before you can block an account again, you will have to wait for another 48 hours. And that is how you unblock people on Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.